Who pays more, TikTok's creativity program beta or YouTube Shorts? If you ask yourself that question a lot, keep on watching, because we're going to talk about exactly that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so let's jump right into this. I'm logged into one of my TikTok accounts. On this account, we are in the creativity program beta. That's the new program. To be able to make money from this program, you need to make videos that are longer than 1 minute, and then you're able to monetize your TikTok. It's different than Creator Fund, TikTok Creator Fund. And actually the payouts are better than the Creator Fund. So here is on this account, so we've made so far grand total of $9.46. Obviously we haven't been posting much, and we actually just got into the program a few weeks ago. So here is the money we made. From 6/28, so that's June 28, and then up and down, and here are a few videos that got monetized. Now if I scroll down, I can see exactly which videos got monetized. Here is one 6/24, posted on June 24. We made $7.94, 51 cents. Some other videos 10 cents. So which videos do get monetized? There is a criteria. And if you want to know, so let me scroll up. So here is the criteria. So if you look at qualified views, so these are the views that are qualified for payment. So when I click on this, here is views that get rewards or that get paid. So watch time needs to be at least 5 seconds, otherwise you're not going to get paid. And the rewards are available to videos with at least 1,000 unique views. So you gotta have 1,000 people watch your video for 5 seconds, and your video needs to be longer than 1 minute, and that's when the view gets counted. Oh, let me go back. And then here is some other rules. Views with dislikes are not considered. Multiple views from same user, so you can't really trick the algorithm. But here is something that really, obviously, you post more, you're gonna get, so accounts that are posting more, they are gonna get paid more, right? But here's something that I want you to pay attention to. The RPM, the revenue per mil, is 53 cents. So if you click, revenue per mil is amount of rewards creator can receive for every 1,000 views. So remember this, because now we are gonna compare this with YouTube Shorts. So on TikTok's creativity program beta, it's 53 cents from every 1,000 view. Now let's go to, for the same actually brand, we're gonna go to YouTube Studio, and here is the dashboard for YouTube Studio. And as you can see on this account, we made grand total of $81, so $9.81. But it's not apple to apple comparison. But here's what I want to show you. I want to see on this account, we do post long videos and also shorts. And most of the shorts are actually repurposed from TikTok. So let's do a comparison. I'm gonna go inside analytics at the bottom, and now I can see all the analytics, research, review, content on the top. This is where I am switching. Now let's go inside revenue, and now I can see the revenue for everything, and here is the revenue from watch page ads, and then here is the revenue from short feed ads. That's what I'm looking for in last 28 days. So we have made $11. So now you can kind of like do comparison, $9 and $11, right? But wait, that's not apple to apple. So let me go back here and scroll down, and then you're gonna see this section right here underneath your monthly chart. So video performance, and I'll move over. So here's the shorts performance. So how many views to be able to make $11? I got 285,000 views. So if you remember on TikTok, we had the monetized views were 17,000. So, but here is the actual comparison. The RPM on YouTube is 0.04. Do you remember the RPM on TikTok creativity program beta? Let me see if it's still open. So here's the RPM on TikTok creativity program beta, 53 cents, and the RPM on YouTube for RPM is the revenue for every 1K 1,000 views is 0.04. So it's like tiny. So yeah, for now it looks like if you are in the TikTok's creativity program beta, and obviously it is invitation, or you do have to, there's criteria that you meet and then you can get invited into the program. Your views, your revenue per view or revenue per 1,000 views is a lot more. It looks like it's like 10 or 15 times more than YouTube Shorts. Now YouTube Shorts, I'm sure they're going to improve it, and actually they did, because I know when the program first launched I was seeing 0.01 or actually even less than that in some cases on some of our channels. So it looks like for now the RPMs on TikTok's creativity program beta are much higher than YouTube, but things may change. Let me know if you're which one is your favorite, YouTube Shorts or TikTok creativity program beta or TikTok, and also if you're seeing similar differences on YouTube Shorts versus TikTok, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, if you have any questions, also leave those in the comments below. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.